Hey, good morning, everybody. Bob, Trade Genius, 31st of October, last day of the month. And I want to talk about the general market. And we look like we're setting up a squeeze here. This is a 4 hour chart, I think, yeah. And then this is a representation of a faster and slower moving average, a whole moving average. And what we have here is we're having the moving averages are converging, and they're the fastest is turned up over to slow. But what's most interesting to me is that we have what I call a divergence, a bullish divergence. So we have prices that were still falling, yet the depth of the oscillation is given a higher reading from below than from before. So it's almost like a stochastic divergence. I like when we have these MACD divergences too. So my expectation is we're going to get a squeeze, and never sure how long they will go. But here was one here. We got a squeeze here, and so that's what I'm looking for. Could come before the election, and then we'll have to see what the election day looks like. But I think shorting into Monday, Tuesday would be probably will probably lose your money. And then this line here is the our stochastic line, and we programmed this to if it's this is the 44 stochastic. If it's falling, I just made a color change red, and then when it turns up green, except if it's under 20 or over 80. If it's oversold, it stays red until it crosses over. So here was a move back over to 20. And so right now we're getting close to it pushing back up again over 20. So oversold Stokes, squeeze area here. You can see the price action here. Look at it just tightening up. They couldn't get it down. Very negative news. Apple earnings, no stimulus, election uncertainty, and it was being bought up here. So just keep that in mind. And then as an homage to the passing of the great Sean Connery, here's what I call these crazy Ivan moves. So we had this melt up in the summertime, and then we pushed down, and then they brought it right back up. I call these crazy Ivans. Now we pushed down again. We dojied here, as you can see. And I'm expecting a push now higher as well. So, but I'm not sure how far to go. I mean, there's widely divergent views that we're just going to just blast into the universe, or we're going to collapse. So it's the views are so divergent right now. It's not even funny. But all I know is we did a doji here on the daily. The 4 hour is squeezing, and so my expectation is we're going to get some sort of bounce, and then we're going to have to wait and see. Anyway, thanks for listening, and I'll catch you guys later this weekend with some more vids. Bye-bye.